Our bodies are filled with toxins, those we breathe in, consume, or absorb through our skin. Heavy metals, commonly found in drinking water, food, air, household products, and even items like aluminum cans, light bulbs, and cookware, pose a significant risk. They are also present in paints, fish, medications, and tobacco. Problems arise when heavy metals accumulate to abnormal levels, causing damage to the nervous, endocrine, and digestive systems. Left untreated, this can lead to physical, muscular, and degenerative changes, eventually causing diseases like multiple sclerosis. Avoiding heavy metals entirely is impossible. Once accumulated, they can lead to various health problems. For this reason, many doctors, nutritionists, and herbalists recommend regular detox programs to help eliminate these toxins and harmful metals. One of the most effective ways to detox is with activated charcoal, cilantro, zeolite, and green clay. These remedies can be incredibly helpful. Activated charcoal binds to toxins and heavy metals without absorbing nutrients, and it does not get absorbed by the body. It is expelled through the intestines along with the harmful substances. For heavy metal detox, a daily dose of 20 grams of charcoal is recommended for no longer than 2 weeks. It works best if taken 2 hours before meals, since food can block the detox process. Cilantro is a natural detoxifier and one of the most potent plants for this purpose. It's best used fresh, added to healing soups and salads. To effectively remove heavy metals from the body, use a very effective paste made from cilantro. You should consume this paste daily for at least 2 weeks. To make this paste, blend 2 small garlic cloves with 1 cup of fresh cilantro leaves. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 5 tablespoons of olive oil, and a pinch of unrefined sea salt. Store the paste in a glass jar in the fridge. Use it daily for 2 weeks, then take a short break. Detoxifying the body with green clay and zeolite is also recommended to completely eliminate heavy metals. Regular use of green clay baths is a great way to achieve this. To prepare the bath, add 5 to 6 tablespoons of green clay to a bathtub filled with warm water and stay in the bath for about half an hour. The water should be as warm as you can handle. The medicinal clay penetrates through the open pores, drawing out toxins and heavy metals. Zeolite, a powerful detoxifier, also plays a significant role due to its remarkable ability to absorb toxins. Using its powder during detox programs can help eliminate heavy metals like mercury, arsenic, chromium, nickel, and lead from the body. Regular use of zeolite is also an excellent preventive measure against serious illnesses like cancer. Additionally, there are many natural recipes recommended by herbalists for detoxification. These recipes help eliminate discomfort caused by heavy metals in the body. Here are some of them. Dandelion root tea. Pour 5 dl of boiling water over 1 tablespoon of dandelion root and cover it. Let it steep for 60 minutes. Strain the tea and drink it regularly throughout the day. This detox treatment should last for 3 weeks. Carrot, nettle, and rosehip, the fantastic trio. In an enamel pot, add 2 large tablespoons of nettle leaves, grated carrot, and crushed rose hips. Pour in 5 dl of water. Heat to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes. Let it steep with the lid on for at least 3 hours. Strain it, add a tablespoon of high-quality homemade honey, and stir well. To remove heavy metals from your body, drink 1 dl of this tea 4 times a day, half an hour before meals. Follow this treatment for 3 weeks. Bedstraw, red clover, elderflower, and birch leaves. Mix equal amounts of bedstraw, elderflower, red clover flowers, and birch leaves. Then, pour 2.5 dl of freshly boiled water over 1 large tablespoon of the mixture. Let it steep for about 30 minutes. Drink 2 to 3 cups of this healing tea throughout the day. This therapy should last 15 days, after which heavy metals will be successfully removed from the body. Detox drink for removing heavy metals. Mix equal parts of freshly squeezed beetroot, black radish, and carrot juice. Pour the mixture into an enamel pot and place it in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. Once cooled, pour it into a glass bottle and store it in the fridge. Take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day, and over time, this will help eliminate heavy metals from the body. Studies have recently shown that turmeric has excellent detoxifying properties, particularly when it comes to eliminating aluminum, and it works even better when combined with black pepper. Chia seeds, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, are also effective in removing heavy metals from the colon. Barley grass juice is another great detoxifier. It is recommended to consume 1 to 2 teaspoons of barley grass juice, either alone or mixed with orange juice. Drinking aloe leaf juice is also highly beneficial for detox. If you grow aloe as a houseplant, cut a few leaves, remove the thorns, peel them, and extract the fresh gel. You can consume it fresh or mix it into a smoothie. Green vegetables such as kale, spinach, parsley, cabbage, and cucumber are very effective because they contain high levels of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. If possible, try to acquire some seaweed, whether fresh, powdered, or in supplement form. It's a treasure trove of minerals, vitamins, and amino acids, and it cleanses the blood, liver, and intestines. Here's a simple recipe for detox. In a blender, combine 1 cup of chopped fresh cilantro leaves, the juice of 1 lemon or lime, and a little olive oil. Blend it well, then pour it into a glass jar. Add 2 mashed garlic cloves and half a cup of dried fruit, not candied. Mix well again, close the jar, and store it in the fridge. If heavy metals are present in your body, take 2 tablespoons of this mixture each day for the next 2 weeks. You can also use it as a spread for toast, a topping for salads, or a side for pasta. Another great detox recipe is a green juice mix. Peel a small cucumber and an apple, chop them up, and place them in a blender. Add a small piece of celery root, a handful of fresh spinach, 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro, and a piece of fresh ginger root. Blend it well. Drink 1 cup of this juice every 2 to 3 hours, and drink only clean water in between. This detox treatment lasts 1 day, with a total of 6 cups of juice and 6 cups of water. If this is your first time trying a detox, it's recommended to do it over the weekend. If you experience any unwanted reactions, stop the detox immediately. However, if the treatment feels good, you can continue it for 1 more day.